Ravi, your local realtor here. Today, we're going to be touring this ultra luxury home in the heart of Bellevue, Washington. This home has 5 beds. Oh my gosh, it's a bright and sunny day in Seattle. I love it. Now, getting back to the story. It's got 5 beds, 4 and a quarter bath, and 4,600 square feet home on a 10,000 square foot lot. This home is ultra luxury and it's new construction. It's got umpteen number of features, and what I would love for you to do is to look at the features, and I'm going to be asking you a question at the end, and it'll be fun for you to just comment on this video after you watch it, okay? Now, are you ready to tour this home? Come on, let's go see. Lovely home, isn't it? I'm sure you enjoyed the tour as much as I did. What was the most appealing feature to you? Comment below and let me know. Also, if you need a private tour to this home, get in touch and I'm more than excited to arrange it for you. And if you need the neighborhood stats, get in touch with me and I'm more than excited to get that also for you, okay? You stay safe and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.